Ah,
Oh,
that's
shit.
hot.
Here we go
That's
again.
hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're using the $25 all-in-one digital business affiliate program and promoting it using my lead gen secrets. All right, so as you know, making $360 a year, a month off of this product so far. So let's keep it moving here. So basically, what it is that each person you get an 80% commissions each person you get into the business, and you can make up to $120 per person, which is insane. So we've been promoting it using my lead gen secrets to see how many sales we can get with using just my lead gen secrets. All right, so let's get to it. All right, sign in. We signed in here. Boom. Now it seems like the emails that I make work the best. Maybe I'll just copy and paste the email on wrote before. Let's do this one again. The instant $20 to $100 commission per sale. We'll just do that again, guys. I'll make this bold. This bold. Pretty solid email, so try it again. Perfect timing. Send an email. That's all it took, guys. That's crazy, right? Once you get a lot of emails in the system, you don't even really need to write them no more. You know? So anyway, let's go to our next account here and just send the same email. Log out. I honestly don't even need to do that because I ain't copy and pasting anything. I'm just getting the email already on written. What was it? This? Was it getting this email here? Oh. That's it. So you just send this email. That's all there is to it, guys. It's gonna be a quick video because I ain't writing the email or nothing like that. There ain't no dead space, you know what I mean? Or me focusing on writing something. And you just log out on this one as well. And you go to my next account here. You pretty much do the same thing here. Where is it? Right here. It's been a couple of days since they seen this email here, so it's okay. I wouldn't spam the same email back to back. Sometimes that works though. You just spam the same email like 3 times and get sales. It depends on the product you're selling. But yeah. So we're just gonna send an email. And I think that's pretty much it, guys. It's really that simple. I guess I could talk about how much money you can potentially make using this product, promoting this product. Like I stated, each person you can get $120 off of each person, right? I'm at $360 a month. So okay, so just 1 or 2 sales, you can end up around $100,000 a year, guys. So let's go down to the exact calculations. All right, 1 sale a week. 1 sale a week. This is what you're making a year off of this product. That's insane, right? That's pretty crazy. $6,000. That's insane. If you can get 2 sales per week. Right now, we in the process of making a little bit less than this, which is fine for me. I live in a rural area, so even half of this pretty much cover me. The $6,000 per month, $3,000 per month would cover me. So, I'm just saying that's all I really need, and I'll be fine. Because I live in a rural area, so to speak. So 2 sales would be 100,000, 150 here. How many sales you need to get in order to make it $1 million? 3 sales, you get 224, right? 3 sales a week, guys. These are sales per week. So you gotta really feed the system to get these type of results. But You know, if you have a lot of My Lead Gen Secrets accounts, probably do it. I'm only using 3 accounts. They're kind of on the newish side. You know, I ain't had them but like a few months. But yeah, you make $120 per month per customer. Per month, guys. This ain't just $120. It's $120 per month. It's insane. All right, guys. That's all I wanted to say. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.